Hi everybody. In this demo, we will connect to a remote Docker daemon from a local host. Docker daemon could be accessible from within the same network or globally. Global access is not recommended. This is my environment. I will SSH into the remote Docker host where Docker is running. Let's now modify the Docker service file to allow connections from remote hosts within the same network. Once a service file has been modified, we have to restart the daemon and then Docker service. From the client machine, set Docker host environment variable as the address and port for the remote Docker daemon. Now we are ready to install Docker normally. Notice I will install only Docker client package. Check the connectivity to the remote host. You will see there is Docker engine, however we have installed Docker client only. Let's try to pull some images to our daemon. Check if we have a local Docker service running on the client machine. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.